Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then once you're on here you should see three lines on the top right, so just select that. And then at the bottom you should see settings and privacy, so just tap on there. Then once you're on here, just scroll down and you should see display. So you just want to tap on there. And then this will give you three options. So you can either pick light, keep TikTok on dark regardless of your device settings, or you can also select use device settings, which just means match appearance to your device's display and brightness settings. So you could obviously toggle that on as well if you wish to do so. So that's how you can turn on dark mode on TikTok. Thanks for watching.